What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another Cut the Rope walkthrough. In today's video, we will be walking you through level 13 on Fabric Box, the second box of the Cut the Rope series. And if you did need help on any other levels on this box, or in the game in general, I have a full playlist of every single level that I walked you through and linked at the top of the description, so you can just click that link and then get help with any level that you need help with. Getting a 3-star walkthrough, I have it all linked at the top of the description there. But as for this video, let's hop into it, hopping into level 13, and I can show you what's up and exactly what you need to do to pass this level. You can see in this level right away the bubbles that are in the C shape. You're going to end up cutting the rope to the left, and you can see that this rope is swinging here. And then you're going to jump around, get that first star, and the candy swings around as it gets the bubbles and has the bubbles go to the top. And the spider is getting just close to eating the rope, but before he does that, you cut it and the bubble will rise to the top in Omnom's mouth, giving you the 3-star. It is pretty easy to get the 3 stars on this one because it just swings around and gets them for you anyway. You really don't have to go out of your way to get them, which is super nice. That's all there is to it for this level though. Like I said, if you need any help on any other levels, check that playlist linked at the top of the description. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.